Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested charms reading. Yes, friends, what is coming next for you, friends? Yes, I have my bag of charms here, and we are all set for this reading. So, how are you doing? And a very happy Valentine's week for you, friends. Wow, a lot is happening this week astrologically, friends. So before we begin, make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. Details are in the description box. Only those who subscribe, like, and share get the chance to win, friends. Also, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Even though it is for this week, you can watch it anytime. It is still going to resonate and help you out with your situation. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And friends, have you seen all your February pick a card, your horoscope readings, your 2021 charms reading? Yes, friends, horoscope charms reading. I will try to tag them up there in the comments or in the cards. So yeah, so, astrologically, Mercury and Sun are forming a square on the 8th of February, and there is on the 14th, yes, on the 14th, there is Saturn in Aquarius squaring Uranus in Taurus. Oh my god, Saturn squaring Uranus. Powerful energy. The old versus new. Oh my god. So let's take a deep breath and start the reading. So, are you ready? So, let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one, this beautiful fertility card. Option number two, the beautiful light card. Option number three, Passions Ignited card. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option one, option two, option three, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go and skip there. You can also choose more than one pile, friends. Yes, that's also perfectly fine. So let's see option number one. What is next for you for those who chose this beautiful fertility card? My god, it's a beautiful card. It is the Empress. Wow, I feel this is a very, very creative week for you. I feel this is, your energies are very fertile, very, very fertile, very high, very powerful this week. This is a very intense week. Let's see. This is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. And we're going to look at the charms shortly. So don't worry. Let's see, friends. Option number one. My god, you start the week as a hermit. Oh my god. Yes, you are quiet. You are focusing on your life, your goals, your future. You are, my god, you are making things happen and not telling anyone. You are this beautiful, wise person. You are getting things done. This week, your focus is very sharp, very strong. You are very powerful. But you are not telling anybody anything. You are keeping a low profile. That's good, friends. That's very good. Find or be a mentor. Take a break from society and a commitment to your spiritual growth. Yes, you are very committed to anything that you set your mind to this week, whether it is your work, your family, your future, your health. You are very, very committed. Also, you're not telling many people what's on your mind. You are like a mystery. People want to know what is on your mind, what you think, but you are keeping your, own sweet space, not telling anybody what's on your mind. I also feel, friends, some of you might be taking a break from social media, or you are spending more time with your friends in real, offline, meeting them in person and meeting your family. Also, some of you, I feel like you might have to. Oh my God! Sorry to begin the reading on this note, but I think you might be living alone. Maybe for like a day or something. I feel like you somewhere you are alone. I don't know why. Maybe your family is traveling, or you are traveling somewhere where you are alone, maybe for a day. I don't feel like you are alone for the whole week. No, I see it's like one day or something, you're alone, and you feel happy. You feel like I'm the boss. Oh my god, double Capricorn energy. Look at that. Queen of Autumn. You're very focused, friends. Your focus is very much on people who value you, and what you are doing things which make you happy and which brings you money, which brings you success. So you don't want to waste your time. You're very particular about that. You're like, I don't want to waste my time. I'm very focused. And some of you are very focused on making some important career changes, or you want some more wealth in your life. If you are a student, you are really, really studying hard. I mean, if you study this hard, I see you topping the exam. Seriously, you are working very hard, even in your career. Whatever you are doing, you are very, very committed, friends, this week, and you are focusing on self worth. What makes you happy? That is what is important to you. Nine of spring, yeah, you are very bold, friends. You are not if there is a goal that you feel you can't achieve right now, don't give up. If you feel like you can't lose weight, don't give up. If you feel like your health won't get better, you don't give up. If you feel you will not get that job, don't give up. If you feel you won't clear that exam, don't give up. This is that energy. Don't give up. You have the potential. So keep going, keep working hard. You will succeed. This week is like, protect the fruits of your labor. Prepare for possible challenges that lie ahead. Environmental conservation. Yeah, I do feel, friends, you should not give up. You are very close to achieving your goals, whether it is in work, love, or career, or education. So keep going. Don't give up. Also, this is like the final push. You just need a bit of extra work, and you will be there. You will achieve your goals. The chariot, see, movement is coming. I do see some of you will be traveling, or someone is traveling towards you. I also feel you might have a message, to travel, or some news like, you need to travel for work. You may not need to travel this week, but news is coming for travel in the future, or relocation, or some of you, I see you are planning to buy a home or shifting. So that energy is also there, like you are moving between houses. I also see some of you, for you, neighbors are very important. Maybe your neighbors are leaving, or they are coming back, or there is a change of your neighbors. I also feel some of your neighbors want to talk to you. I keep seeing a neighbor knocking your door. I keep seeing that again and again. So there is something going on between you and a neighbor. This is a very fast week, friends. Before you know it, you will be watching the next, what's coming next reading here on the channel. So this is a very fast week. So I would say prepare well, plan well, and make full use of it. You are in a great energy, and very, very, very quick week. This is like going like this. Six of winter, yeah, you are moving out of challenges, friends. You had been through so many burdens, so many challenges. But this week you can relax, you can enjoy, you can finally say bye bye to all these troubles, pains, and challenges. You won't have to fight anymore. The future seems safer and more peaceful, and it starts with this week. I see that you will find some resolutions, some peaceful solutions to your problems, whether it is in love, work, or career. I also feel, friends, like this week, someone from the past who was quite distant, a lover, a husband or wife, a twin flame, or a friend who was not talking to you, who was quite away from you, they were in their own world. Maybe you lost contact with this person 3 months, 9 months, 3 years, 9 years ago, and they want to come and they will be knocking on your doors. They want to talk to you. I keep seeing that this person wants to improve this connection, this friendship. They want to build things. If there is a misunderstanding, someone wants to come back and work on it with you. Excellent energies, friends. Very good week actually for you. And see, positive changes are on their way. A welcome relief from troubled times, traveling or relocating. I told you, friends, traveling is there. You may also see someone is traveling to your city or country and they want to meet you, like a friend ringing up, like, hey, are you free? Let's meet, let's catch up. The Emperor, you are in a very, very powerful energy, friends. You can take charge of your destiny, your life, and that's exactly what this Empress is saying. And look at that, you have the Empress and the Emperor. Oh my god, you have the couple right here. So I feel this is a very balanced week for you, friends. Your head, your heart will feel very balanced. Also, you want to take charge of your life, friends. You just cannot settle down for anything less anymore. In your relationships, you want equal partnership. You want equal worth. You want equal love and take. If anything less, you will not accept it. At least not this week. In work, you want leadership roles. Why? Because you are ready. You are ready for that leadership. You are ready for that promotion. You are ready for the next phase of your life. You have done the work. You are ready. Use logic and structure to increase your success. Get organized, a firm but compassionate leader. Yeah, I think there has been someone who is holding their feelings back, but they just can't help it this week. They are going to come and talk to you, and they are going to solve things, or say, sorry or something, and make up with you, for the past changes or the past setbacks. I also feel, friends, this week you may face some ego issues with a father figure or authority, with a boss, because Saturn is squaring with Uranus, and that means you can have some tempers flying. Ego issues with powerful people, but I think you will, if you are polite, you will get away with it. You will win the battle. Trust me. And the 10 of spring, oh my god, you are very, very busy, friends. Please take care of yourself this week. You are under a lot of pressure because you want to overachieve this week. You want to, do 10 things at one time. You feel you can over accomplish, and yes, you can, because your health is good, you are feeling good, your motivation, your ambitions are high, but you will drain yourself because you are doing so many things. You have a lot of pressure on your on your mind. So just relax a little bit. Don't forget your health, yourself. I see that you're so focused about the future this week, you might forget yourself, your present. So take time, friends. Take time and ask for help. If you need help, there are people around you who can help you out. So go out and ask for it, and don't wait. Don't be in this energy of pride, like, I won't ask for help. Because I see you are in that energy, like, hey, I can do it myself. Why do I ask for help? Yes, you can do it, but it will affect your health. It will take you more time. You will be busy all the while. So, yeah, please make sure to ask for help. And I also feel, friends, there has been a relationship which is causing some burden to you this week. Some sort of a frustration. Like, if you are married, you want to have a baby, you want to expand your family, if you are single, you want to get married. So, it might put a strain or burden on you of expectations. You want these things to happen, but you are very close to achieving it. So, don't worry. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important to you this week, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is also important. Let's see your oracle, then we're gonna see your charms. Oh, Three of Winter, friends. Someone has put you in a third party, friends. Someone has caused you some hurt and pain, and they are very sorry about it. Someone has hurted you, and I do feel this week this person will be on your mind, and they are also thinking about you. This person who has hurted you, who has caused you pain, but they want to apologize to you, friends. They are sorry for this pain, but I think you just don't want to forgive them. You want to move ahead. But I do see that you feel hurt, you feel angry, you feel upset with this person, but they want forgiveness, but you don't even want to see their face. Let's see what else. Follow your own rhythm. Number 5, follow your own rhythm. Yeah, I do feel, friends, this week you are very self-focused, so you should do things which make sense to you. Not, I do feel like if you are single, people are telling you, pressurizing you with expectations. Even at your work, you have a lot of expectations. People are like, you can manage. They might go on holiday, giving you extra work, or you are working from home. So, people expect a lot from you. You also expect a lot from you, but do things at your own pace. You don't need to follow everybody. You need to follow your own self, and be gentle with yourself. Dance, be creative, because you are in that energy where creativity can help you. Faith in the process, number 32. Yes, friends, you are very close to achieving a goal. You are very, very close, whether it is finding a new job or finding a new lover or finding this apology. You are very, very close in achieving it. So, don't lose your hope. Have faith. Don't lose. It's like you are on your knees. You are like, when this will happen? When? When will I become this person? When will I find success? When? Keep your faith, friends. Keep your faith. And we'll see with the charms also. So don't lose your faith. You are very, very close to achieving your goals. Appreciation, number 15. Yeah, someone in love definitely wants to appreciate you. Someone who never apologized, someone who was rude to you, maybe a friend. Someone wants to appreciate you. They want to come back, say sorry. They want to say how amazing you are. So, yeah. And attachments, yeah. Number 5. There are some people, friends, this week that you are no longer wanting to see. You are like, I'm so done with you. There are people, attachments. You are like, you have a very independent energy this week, friends. So you don't want some attachments or people who are pulling you down. You want to focus on yourself, your future. Also, you feel like some person is attached to the wrong people. Maybe a friend or a lover, you see that they are attached with the wrong people, like your person is listening to the wrong people, their friends, their family. They are not doing the right thing. You know that because you are the hermit, but they don't see it. They don't see it. So, what is the advice for you? What is the advice for you? Let's see that. Your intuition is correct. Take action. Yes. So, yes, friends, if something, if whatever you feel this week is right, if you feel that someone is not listening, if you feel someone is not right for you, yes, you are right. If you feel someone is coming towards you, yes, you are right. So, whatever your intuition is saying, you are correct. And I do feel someone is not being honest, especially towards your person, their family, their friends, or maybe they are not honest themselves with you. You will know it. You will know it. And also, if you asked, will your future be great? Yes, of course, you are going to achieve success. So let's see your charms. Pile number 1. Option number 1. Ooh, lots of charms. Let's see. Oh my god, we have a bunch of charms. Like whole truckload of charms. Are you ready? Grab a cup of water, tea, lemonade, whatever you like, coffee, and let's get ready. See, attachment. See, this is the attachment. Oh my god. Super attachment. We have 2 attachment charms here, friends. Oh my god. No wonder you don't want attachments, or you feel frustrated with it, because there are so many people attaching to you. You are like, I don't want to talk. So the alphabets are BIS, and this reminds me of BTS. Maybe some of you are fans of the BTS albums, the BTS singers. Maybe you are listening to them, or maybe you are very attached to them. Also, it could be a name like SBI. I don't know what name. Bis. Maybe it is a pet name for somebody. Bis, Bisma, Bissy. I don't know. So let's see what else. Any numbers? Yeah, you have number 19. Number 19 is also 1. So maybe you are dealing with someone who is very independent. You yourself are very independent. Something will happen which will make you smile. Look at that. Happy, happy. I like that. Creativity. Your creativity is very high this week. So focus on that. Who, you're very stylish. I see some of you will change your style, the way you look, or the way your hairs are, hair color, changing your hair color, changing your career, or just making your house, your career, your life a little, better, upgrading it. That's what you are doing. Blue card, listen to your intuition. You have a very sharp mind. Listen to it, friends. Yellow, you stay positive, friends. You have everything going for you. You're very close to achieving your goals. Pan, yeah, somebody makes you feel like powerless. Maybe it is a love relationship or like a family situation where you feel powerless. You feel like you can't do anything there. But I think it is going to change this week. You are the leader there. You are the leader. Health, take care of your health, friends. You need to take care of your health because you are so busy, you might ignore it. I'm a stupid baby. Yeah, someone wanna apologize to you. They are sorry, they hurt you, they cowboy. Someone very free spirited is important to you, someone maybe from the country, from the countryside, or someone who likes country music. This is the cowboy hat. So, country music, or a musician, or a free thinker, someone very wild, adventurous is important. What else? This is the attachment. Yeah, is the you are there are people around you, which are very attached to you, or you feel very attached to them. And there is again this, my God, love attachment. Look at that. Someone doesn't want to let you go, but you are not sure of them. You are like, I'm done with it. I'm done. Creativity, again, your creativity is very high. This wheel is for Wheel of Fortune, so luck is with you. You're very lucky, so keep going. You're doing great. Look at that, this flame. So I think this is a very spiritual week also for you. You are going to find solutions. And people are looking at you for inspiration this week. People are counting on you. So, yeah, Dragonfly, positive changes are coming. The book, Made with Love, Secret Love. Yeah, someone is crushing over you, friends. Someone has a lot of love for you. They are not telling you, but they like you a lot. So I see two things here. There is two attachments here. I see one is someone from the past who has hurted you and is in no contact, but other one is a new lover, a friend, a colleague, or a neighbor, or somebody who likes you and who hasn't told you that they like you. The bunny, oh my God, your passions are very, very high. Someone is lusting after you. Yeah, and look at that, the trumpet. Time is very important to you, friends. You may feel like you are running short of time this week. Also, you're waiting for messages, so you are like, when will it come? When will it come? News, messages, and gardening. This lady gardening, the girl with the garden pot. Yes, you are busy working on your dreams, your goals, your future. You're so future focused that you might forget about the present also. And the bead. I think a lot of people are around you talking about what is important for them, expectations. This bead is like expectations, but you should do your own thing, follow your own rhythm, do what is important for you. So let's see what else. The moon, yeah. Some things, emotionally you don't want to deal things emotionally, but there are some confusions happening. Some emotional issues will be there. Ace of Wands, someone is very passionate about you. A new passionate start is happening. Prince of Cups with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Very nice. And white, yeah, keep the peace, friends. You might get a little angry with somebody, or someone might get angry on you, so focus on the peace. Ace of Cups, yeah, new love, a passionate connection and a loving connection is there. So, wow, this is a hot week. You have the Ace of Cups, new love, Ace of Wands, passionate connection. Faith, again the card, keep the faith. Faith in the process. Remember this? And what else? Past life, yeah, you are dealing with some past life issues. Maybe the person who left you or who hurted you and who's not in a contact, no contact with you. This thing is happening from a past life situation. Patience, yeah, there will be some changes happening in this connection. And patience because your future career is going to improve. Nine of air, yeah, you have a little, you are like, you things are so fast, but you want them to be even more faster. You want like things to happen now, you don't want to wait. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. May is important for some of you. The month of May, something will happen in May which you want now. Oh my god, February is important. So, yeah, what you want now may happen in May. So, don't lose hope. Six of Air, moving forward. Six of Winter, same card, friends, and the same charm. Very nice. Things are moving forward, friends. Don't lose hope. Ten of Coins, yeah, family is very important. I also see some of you are worried about money. Money will be coming for you. In the coming months, money will increase for you. Your money problems will heal. Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, friends, yes. So, it's a great week for you, friends. You are very busy, so take time for yourself and make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye. So, friends, if you choose option number 2, let us see how this week will be for you, what's coming next. And this is a charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. So, if you chose this card, pile number 2, 19, number 19, it's a beautiful card. Look at that. This is a very spiritual week. I feel you are focused on light, on positivity, on happiness. So it's a great week, I feel already. This is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. And I will be pulling some charms for you, so don't worry. Let's see your tarot cards first. Light. Wow, you are looking up in the sky with hope, with faith. It's a beautiful energy. Let's see. Wow, Ace of Autumn. So definitely, this week something exciting about your work or career is starting. So you are very excited, or you will find something to start for your work, for your career. A new start is happening. In all areas of your life, actually, even in love. So, a very grounded, a positive start. I feel some of you are actually worried about your career, your money situation. So you're going to find some relief there, friends. Some hope, some relief, some good news, some money coming your way. Or some ideas which will help you to improve your money situation. A windfall of money, advice or assistance from others is coming. A very successful project, a happy change in your career is coming. So, wow, this week is a new start for you, friends. I feel this is a new start in all areas of your life, especially your career and education. But it is a new start in all areas of your life, even in relationships. Something is happening, some good energy, some healing is happening in your relationships. And look at that, the sun. Oh my god, you are very popular this week, friends. Everyone is talking about you, everybody wants to know you. You are also feeling very positive. The light, the sun, and the both are the same card. Oh my god, look at that. They are both the same card. Number 19, number 19, the sun, the sun. Oh my god, friends, double the sun energy. You are it's a very positive week for you, friends. And the more happy you feel, the more you will be able to achieve this week. I also feel you are very famous. People are talking about you a lot this week, whether it is friends, family, or people you work with. Everybody want to know you, everybody has their eyes on you. I also feel you will be achieving some compliments, getting some compliments from people. Other people are noticing your talent, your skills, and you are also finding new skills in yourself, new ideas, new talent. So, some of you will discover you are excellent at painting, drawing, dancing. Oh my god, this is a beautiful week. Plans that work out perfectly, amazing ideas that lead to rewards and communicate and rewards and success, gratitude for the blessings of life. Wow. I also feel, friends, that you might be taking a break this week and spending some time in your garden or going out somewhere. Maybe just if you can't go out because of the world situation, you will be watching or painting or drawing, doing something which makes you feel happy. So, this is a very positive week for you. You are focused on positivity, on starting something new, on learning something new, and you are enjoying it. And people are talking about you, people want to know you. There is a buzz around you, you know. A lot of people want to know you, what you are up to. Princess of Summer, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I feel there is a person who is younger than you, who is coming towards you, or who wants to know you. They could be a friend, they could be a new lover, they could be a crush, someone who has a crush on you. Someone is coming who wants to know you, they want to get to know you better. They might work with you or study with you. Oh my god, King of Summer, look at that. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, a mature person, a loving person, a kind person. A lot of people are important for you. I told you, friends, I hear a lot of, like my ears are buzzing now. A lot of people are talking for you, about you. Everybody wants you now. So, yeah. I do see that there is also someone mature coming towards you, or someone you already know or dated in the past, someone who was very stupid in the past, or who was not behaving very strongly or maturely towards you, but now you will see a change in that person. You will see a change in their behavior, in their understanding of this connection. But also someone new is coming, a younger person, someone younger than you, or you are very young for them, so someone is coming towards you. The Fool, a new start. Oh, friends, this is like, you are planning on something new this week. You want a change, and it's all in your mind. You are working on it, this new change, this career, this new idea, this new relationship. You are like, this is the one. I'm gonna be the best one in here. Like this new person comes and you are like, yes, this is the one I want. This is the best relationship of my life. And you are like, yay. So you are focused on new things. New things, new is you. That's your mantra this week. It's like you want new things. You can't deal with the same old people now. Also, a lot of people want to know you, and you are also very excited to know about other cultures, other cities. You also want to travel to another country or city in the future. Maybe you are already, something about travel, faraway lands. You are very excited about thinking about those things. Like if you are a student, you might apply to some other city or country for education. You might not be able to go there, but it's in your mind. You want to go there and study. You want to learn their culture. So it's a fresh start. This week is like a breath of fresh air for you. It's like the start of the new year finally for you. It's like, I'm here, I'm here. Success is coming. Some sort of a money is also coming, or news related to money. And some of you are waiting for travel to open. You are like, when will be able to travel? So you are just waiting for it and waiting, like, I wanna travel. You are waiting for traveling, but I don't see you traveling this week. Nah. Oh my god, the page of someone wants to message you, friends. Someone very romantic, someone very loving, caring, someone wants to message you. I see family is also very important. So you may be dealing with a child this week. Like someone's child is coming to stay with you, or you will talk with them, some children, some babies. And I also see that some news regarding a pregnancy or a baby or a wedding is also coming towards you, maybe for someone in the family or your friends or for yourself, but it's there. Wow, friends, it is a very nice week. Your emotions are very, very high. Look at that. Prince of Summer, King of Summer, Page of Summer. Wow, your emotions are really high, and a lot of people are important for you. Very family oriented week, this is. Oh my god, the Prince of Spring. Oh my god. more people are coming your way, friends, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. So I feel like there will be a chance of someone very passionate, someone very charming, a Casanova coming your way. You can accept them if you want. It will be a very quick relationship or friendship. It will start well. You guys are perfect for each other, opposites attract kind of a situation, but there is a lot of lust, there is a lot of passion. They might be different from what your usual type is, but you may, it will burn out very quickly, this relationship, or you may go on your separate paths very quickly. That's what I feel, because this is like quick energy. Also, someone is coming who is mature from your past, someone you were dealing with in the past, someone who was not mature, someone who behaved very stupidly, someone who kept going in and out of your life. They are coming back. Yes, two people are there. One is new, one is from the past. They are coming back. Two of spring. So you have to choose, friends. You have to choose the mature person. And you also have to be a little mature, friends, this week, because I see like you may become carried away this week. I don't know how shall I say this, but somewhere you might be like very happy because of a new connection coming towards you, or you have a new marriage proposal coming towards you, or some people at your work are going la 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 ga 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 over your work. So you have to be a little bit mature. People may promise you a lot, but they might be not able to fulfill it. So you have to balance yourself. You have to be mature one. Also, I feel like there will be a choice in love from the past and the new person. So it is up to you who you choose. But choose, be mature. Be mature. There is someone who is a little Casanova, who is a little heartthrob kind of a thing. They are amazing. They are very interesting person. They may be a social celebrity, or they are very known socially. But I don't see that they will last. This relationship won't last, or it is very quick. It's very quick. Also, I feel pile number two, you may have a chance of a one night stand. Yeah. So I keep getting that song, Darling Stay With Me. I'm not good at a one night stand. Sam Smith song. It's a Sam Smith song. Darling Stay With Me. I'm not good at a one night stand. So can you please stay with me? It's a nice song. You should listen to it. And renewal. So yeah, a lot of thought. A lot of people are thinking about you. You are also thinking about your future, your past, and you're very excited about your future. I see that this week you will act a lot this week without thinking, or other people will act a lot towards you without thinking. So I would suggest you to keep some presence of mind, some common sense, and think a little, friends. Like, this is that week when you can go and buy a Ferrari just because you want to, and then you realize that you don't have the money to buy a Ferrari. You know what I mean. You can do something impulsive this week and regret it later. So friends, before you jump the gun or jump into the bed with somebody, just catch your breath and see how things are. Just apply your common sense, because I think you need it. Also, someone is coming from the past. Also, family is very important. A lot of family member are important: babies, children, kids, parents. A lot of family is important for you this week. So let's see what else is happening. Oh, big bold vision number 13. Wow, friends, yeah, your future is very bright. So, this is the perfect time to make some bold plans, some ambitious plans, and to start working on them. So, that's what I'm saying. Don't make mistakes. This is a very powerful energy. So, be very intelligent to use it well. So, make some bold visions, set some big dreams, and start working on them, and soon you will be able to achieve it. Big, bold visions. You will achieve what you are looking for, friends. And the times are starting now. If you are looking for a job, you will find an amazing job, much better than what you expect. If you are looking for money, you will find it. So release the dark wound, let love in. Yeah, there are some wounds on you. You know, there are some people who have judged you, who have left you, who have not valued you, maybe friends, maybe family members, or a lover or a twin flame, or an ex-husband wife. So let the past go, friends. Number 25 is important. And look at that. This is again a fish. It is like the past emotions. Again, fish, Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. A lot of Pisces. Water energy is very high. I think some of you may cry this week because of the things which are causing you worry. But, friends, you know, let the past go. Let the darkness go. And let love in. Because your future is extremely bright. You can't see it, but your future is like this. So let's see our other cards and then we're gonna look at your charms. Oh my god, cornucopia 1111. So, yeah, this is a powerful sign, friends. You are going to achieve what you want. Whatever you are looking for, you will achieve it. Whether it is in work, if you are a student, you want that exam to be cleared, yes, it will happen. If you are looking for money, it will come. Looking for a job, it will come. Looking for love, it will happen. A twin flame reunion will also happen for some of you, but you need to let the past go and heal from it. Door to value number 31. Wow, friends, your destiny's doors are opening this week, seriously, and you are going to attain a lot of fame, a lot of success which you can't see. So, some things are hidden right now. They will open this week, but you know, you have to be very mature and apply some common sense because I do see you might spend a lot of money just because you want to, or you might, you know, you might expect a lot from this person who is coming, a new person, or from the past person. So be balanced. Apply your common sense. Let's see your advice. Dream big. Wow, friends. Let go of small thoughts and about yourself. See yourself succeeding. So, yes, friends, don't doubt your future. Don't doubt your potential. Don't doubt your success. You are destined for big things, and this is a reassurance. This is the sign you are looking for. So dream big, friends. You are not the one for this one night stand. You are the one who deserves the 365 days of Valentine's. You know, that's the kind of person you are. So, whoa, let's see your charms. You are amazing, pile number two. I love this reading. What a positive reading. And a very powerful one. Option number two. Option number two. Alright, let's see. Yeah, see, look at that. Be classy. Yes, friends, choose class over comfort, you know. And I do see that your life is going to upgrade. Like whatever you are living now, your life will upgrade, you know. Your life is going to upgrade. I don't know how else to put it. So, if you have clothes in the future, you will have classy clothes, like, you know, stylish clothes. I don't know, and also stylish people, classy people, you know, go for the things which are valuable. So that's how I feel. Wow, see, fit is there. I see the word fit. So, yeah, some of you, your health is going to improve. Your overall, emotional, physical health, all is going to improve. And I don't know if we can make any other word. Tie. Yeah, some important connections and family and friendships are very important for you this week. So all sort of ties are important, you know, connections are important. Fetty, some of you, maybe someone's name could be Fetty, or you know, Fatima or something like that, or maybe you are dealing with someone whose name is like that. Also, for some of you, a wedding proposal, a marriage proposal is coming. Also, you may be dealing with a person who wants to commit marriage or propose you, but be careful, you know, get to know them well before you oops, sorry, friends. Before you say anything to anyone or commit, check them out. Check them out. And also, some if you are single, yes, you are going to find a very amazing partner, life partner, so don't worry. Hello, I'm cuter than you. Yeah, someone is coming who feels like you they are like They have a lot of self love. They are like, look at me, look at me. So they want your attention. Number 10 is important. Yeah, someone may be born on the 10th is important. Apple, take care of your health, friends. Take care, eat some fresh fruits, and go out and look at that. I feel someone from the past is coming. This reminds me of someone from the past who was not mature, who was a little foolish in the past. They want to come back, offer you commitment. The shoe, yeah, I think like some of you are going to, get fit by some, maybe like you need some shoes this week, or some shoe repairs are needed because Mercury is retrograde, so be careful. Also, I feel you might be buying some better shoes for a fitness goal, or you are buying something for your work, like you need some better tools to work with or something like that. Upgrading your style, upgrading your looks. The flower, I do see someone might compliment you, or someone, a flower, a bouquet, a celebration is coming. Maybe it's your birthday. And the red car, you're very, very passionate about your future, friends. You are like this superhero. You know you can achieve a lot, and that's what you should actually do. Dream big. See yourself as a superwoman, as a superman, and then see how your life will be. And the Lord Ganesha, prosperity is coming for you, friends. Lord Ganesha is here. Lot of prosperity, lot of success is coming. There is the mushroom charm, passionate connection. Someone is lusting on you, friends. You are also lusting on a celebrity, or maybe there is a lot of lust, attraction, sexual chemistry. I don't know if you want that person or not, but the attraction is there. Twin flames, yeah, there is a twin flame union or connection coming your way. I also feel two important relationships are coming. Money, yeah, your money's situation will improve, friends, so stay positive. Mouse, yeah, you keep working, friends. You will achieve your goals. The green, financial healing will happen, emotional healing will happen. Ace of Wands, a new start is happening in your work and career cycles. Yeah, this is a phase you are having, especially in your work and career. You will have a better phase ahead, and it starts now. Three of air, yeah, someone is hurt, someone who left you or put you in a third party, they want to come back. White, forgiveness, peace, patience. Eight of Wands, communications and passionate communications. Someone is very passionate. Maybe, a lot of communications are coming. And any communication you will have, any talks, whether it is with friends or family, you're very passionate about it. King of Cups, King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important. June, someone born in June is important. Maybe a Gemini. Six of Cups, a soulmate is coming, friends. I see a soulmate and a lover, and a friend is also coming. Oh, wow, wow, wow. So, friends, be careful. Lots of things are coming. Everybody wants you this week, friends, and so do I. So, make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number 3, let us see what this week or what's coming next for you, charms. I will be pulling your charms shortly. So if you chose this card, beautiful card, the passions ignited. Wonderful. I see that some good things. Number 1 is about starting something good. Exciting things are going to happen. Some spiritual enlightenment also. So these are your oracle cards, your advice. We're going to look at them shortly. Let's see your tarot first. Wow, the Magician, friends. This is a powerful week for you, definitely. Anything you are working on, manifesting, or you desire, the chances of it happening are very high. Also, again, this is a number one. So, this is like new starts. Something new will start, or something you are working or planning, like you have started a business, it will prosper. You have started a course, you will do well in it. So whatever you have recently started, you are going to flourish and blossom in it. So wonderful. You can do anything. Take charge of your life. You can manifest what you desire or need to be a success in life. So, yes, friends, this is very powerful. I also feel like you're trying to manifest many things, new things in your life, like a new relationship, a new job, more money, success, or more love within a relationship, more passion. You are on the right things, friends. You are on the right path. You are doing the right things. Yay. And what else? Oh my god, Three of Cups. So celebrations are coming. I do feel you are going to meet your friends, or it may be a birthday, your friend's birthday. I also feel some of you are feeling a bit lonely. So you are going to find people who are like minded. Maybe you are manifesting new friendships, new connections. Yes, you are going to have it starting from this week. So well done, well done. Also, I feel a friend might be having feelings for you and you are not aware of it. Like a friend or a secret admirer, they might tell you they have feelings for you. I see a celebration, a birthday, maybe your or somebody else's in the family. I see happiness, I see love there, I see you laughing there, smiling. So good energy. News. News worth celebrating. Announcements such as weddings, graduations, birth, and friends that you can cherish are coming for you. So, wow, this is beautiful. Prince of Autumn, a Capricorn Virgo Taurus person is important. I also feel that some of you might be into same sex relationships and you have been feeling unlucky, like you don't have somebody or you don't find the right person in your love relationships, no matter if it is same sex or not. But I feel you are going to find the right people. You are going to find the right people and supportive people who can understand you, starting from friendships to love and family also. So supportive friendships are coming for you, and also supportive lovers are also coming your way. So amazing, you are manifesting all this, you are doing the work. I also feel that regarding your money and career, you have to keep a bit of patience, friends. You are getting impatient, like you want some success or you want some money, your business to flourish and money to like pour and shower on you, but you are like, when it will happen? When? You're impatient. Don't be impatient, friends. Even if you are a student, you may want to party this week and not want to work. I know this is the Valentine week. Who want to study? This is your age. This is your time to want to go out, party, enjoy, celebrate, have many dates. Of course, but don't forget your work. Don't forget to study. I think you may party all night, all day, but you might forget like when to study. So a little bit of patience, cautious but wise action, meticulous attention to detail, kindness to others. See, caution is necessary this week and just a little bit of patience. Six of Spring, yeah, friends, some of you are going to achieve success. Definitely a news of a promotion or some sort of a victory. I also feel like you will feel like, yes, you are on the path, on the right path, on the path to victory, to success. You are marching towards it. So, something I do feel some of you will have some promotion or some sort, like your juniors were not understanding you, you will be able to understand, you will be able to win them over. If your boss was not kind or understanding, you will win it, you will win them. Some of you may be getting promoted, getting a new job. Some of you are manifesting all this. Yes, you will be successful. So whatever you're manifesting this week, friends, you're gonna achieve it. You're gonna be super successful. You can celebrate now. I can join in too, because this is a party we all love. We all love to manifest and we all achieve it and we celebrate together. Oh, friends, you're doing excellently well. I love this. Wonderful news is on its way. So, wonderful news is on its way to you. Smart choices that bring rewards, success, and public recognition. So, you are on your path towards success. And you're gonna feel confident also. If you're not feeling confident, if you are feeling you are young or you don't have enough experience, you will feel more confident this week, more bold, more confident and bold. Like, yeah, I can do this, I can achieve whatever I want, I'm ready for this. Ace of Winter. Wow, I do see some sort of messages are coming, important messages, breakthroughs, ideas, insights. Some spiritual ideas, insights are coming for you. I also feel you are going to find more love from social media, people connecting with you through social media. Some of you may start dating also, through social media apps or something, or getting marriage proposals. Important communications related to love. Important breakthroughs. Oh my god, friends, Nine of Cups. Oh my god, you are in the party, party, party. I'm a Barbie girl in a party world. You have that energy, friends. It's a lot of parties. I do feel your wishes are going to come true, and I don't see you doing anything else this week. Just want to party, enjoy your life, give dance. Maybe there are two, three birthdays, celebrations in the family, or maybe a marriage is coming. Also, your birthday is there. So it's a line of, a series of celebrations coming. And your wishes are going to come true, friends. Again, this is a confirmation. I think some of you were like, this is too positive a reading. This is not my pile. When you do that, angels listen and they want to confirm you that, hey, this is your pile. This is your Nine of Cups. You're gonna achieve it. And I also feel in love, something will happen which will restore your faith and make you very happy. So, good things are coming. Eight of Autumn. Yeah, I do feel, friends, if you are a student, don't forget to study because I see you party, party, party. Talking a lot in a very happy mood, celebrating. You don't want to work, you don't want to party, but I think this energy is so good that if you work, a little amount of work will give you a lot of success this week. So keep working. And also, if you are working on a business or career, you are soon going to achieve success. You are going to achieve that success you desire. It will take some time, maybe the next 8 days or maybe by the next 1 month you will achieve it, but you will achieve it. So keep working. Six of Summer, a soulmate is coming, a friendship is coming. If you are really, really single, friends, you are going to find someone from your past returning back, or a new connection, a soulmate, a soul friend is coming towards you. I also feel, friends, that someone from the past, a very childhood friend, or someone you knew in the past, maybe a year back, 6 months, 6 years back, that person will be thinking of you. You are also thinking of them. People from the past are coming towards you and they are going to message you, and it will make you feel very happy. It will make you feel like, yes, we were waiting for this message, we achieved it, we manifested it. Maybe it is your twin flame messaging you, or a husband or a wife, or someone from the past is coming and messaging you. Also, another thing is you are going to find some new friendships. So it's very happy energy. And Four of Autumn. Yeah. I feel in love, you may feel like, in friendships, you are very lucky. You have like new friends coming in, celebrations. But with, this lover that's coming back, or the past person coming back, you feel like they are still the same. They don't talk, they don't share. You are like, huh? You still don't talk? What is wrong with you? The world has been through so much. You are still keeping quiet. I think this person needs more time to talk, so give them some time. I think they need some patience and some support, your motivation. So, yeah, people around you will need your motivation, friends. They need your support. They need your patience. They need we need your motivation. You might be dealing with someone who is younger than you, and or someone who is a little scared of you. They feel a lot of passion towards you, so you might have to hint towards people like, yay, I'm interested, come towards me. So you have to play the game smart this week, friends, because you have a lot going on and people want to love you. They have a lot of love for you, but they are a little scared of you. Look at that. They are not telling you how they feel. They need your push, your so let's see, friends, what else? Your oracle cards, then we're gonna see your charms. Ooh, the legacy of light. So I see a lot of your spiritual family. your spiritual guides, and your soul family, your soulmates, all are connecting with you this week. So it is a great week. Also, you might be meditating this week and feeling a connection with the universe. Also, I feel if you lost somebody recently, or you are missing somebody who is away from earth, like who has passed away, you will feel their connection, you will feel one with them, you will feel very connected with them. So this is a powerful week for you, friends. A lot, everybody who loves you or who is important is connecting with you spiritually, emotionally, physically. So great, very wonderful energy, power of attraction. Look at that. You are really attracting what you want, friends. This is a very, very powerful card. You are attracting your twin flame, your lover, your money, your success, whatever you are trying to manifest, you are going to achieve it. The power of attraction, number 13. You are going to achieve what you want, friends. It's absolutely there because you are the manifestor. You are very in a very powerful energy. So, yes. Number 8, indecision. Yeah, friends, you are fated, friends. If some things are not working out for you, it is fated because something else is supposed to work out for you. You may want some person to be your lover, but I think someone better is coming, and they are manifesting, or you are manifesting them. I also feel some of you are a little confused about your future, your career, what you need to do, your studies. I think listen to your inner voice, friends. Listen to yourself, your intuition. You know the answers. And the angel of love, number 49. Look at that. Oh my god, friends, a lot of love, a lot of support is there. I also would say that you are really, really loved. If you are feeling alone, friends, don't be, because the universe loves you. We love you. I love you. The channel, everyone here loves you. So there is a lot of love, a lot of support for you. So don't worry. Let's see your advice. Pay attention. Okay, to what? Notice the signs and your repetitious signs and your inner guidance, as this could yield valuable information. So, congratulations, friends. Listen to the signs around you, listen to the messages coming your way, and you are very connected to everything around you. So, this is a very important week, friends. A lot of new people, important connections, important unions or meetings will happen, or you will plan or prepare for them this week, and it will happen in the future. So get ready. Let's see your charms. I'm singing today. I don't know. Are you wanna sing, friends? I don't know. Maybe it's your destiny to be a singer, or you are going to meet a powerful singer, an artist, a musician, an actor, whatever. I don't know. I keep singing. I don't usually sing, friends. Nah, never. I listen songs, but like no singing myself. No, never. You know that. If you have been watching the channel, you know I am scared of singing. Pile number 3, what's going to happen for them? Pile number 3. And look at that. You have so many initials. Wow. Like the most, I think, classy. Yes, you know someone very important is coming towards you. Also, I feel like someone very dashing, someone very good looking is coming. Number, letter S, and there is a letter number stuck with it, number 1, and the number S, or the letter S. And look at that, you also choose passions ignited, number 1, the magician, number 1. Goodness me, what's going on? I'm just keeping this so I don't want to throw it or something. The dice, I'm gonna come to it just in a minute. Lots of people are important for you, friends. That's why so many initials are there. Let's see. So the number 1, number 26 are important for you. Let's see what else is important. Let's me just separate them a bit. The letters are S, N, there is V, there is E, there is G, there is K, there is, just a second, friends. Let me just arrange them. Okay, so uh, feet, I see the word feet, so maybe your feet are important, or you are going to go for a massage or something. Also, be careful not to get a sprain or something, because feet is coming. So yeah, and also someone walking towards you, like walk, 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 or you may meet someone while walking, or get a message while walking, or some inspirations like signs are coming when you are walking. So yes, and it was on number 5, I remember that. Thankfully. And what else? So you have S and V, K, E and D, and there is G, D, and there is FET also. I don't know if I can make any words. I can make the word diet. If you are planning to go on a diet, I would suggest you to go on a healthy diet, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and all those kind of things. Make keep it balanced. And if you are, you know, if you are trying to lose weight because people will love you more, I would suggest you to love yourself right now, so you can attract somebody who loves you. You are amazing just as you are. And pineapple, a reconciliation, a reunion is coming. You are going to meet somebody who is destined for you. Strawberry, a very passionate connection, a crush, someone you are crushing on. They want to talk to you, they will message you. The message in a bottle, someone has deep feelings and they will share you or message you this week. Red car, you're very passionate about, get passionate about things you like, friends. If you are not passionate, get passionate. This is that week. Hello, I'm yours. Yes, someone loves you, friends. Someone loves you a lot. They want you, they miss you. Cowboy hat. Yeah, I do feel someone very classy, someone who is a singer, who is a musician, a celebrity, or someone who is quite social, who is an extrovert, is coming towards you. The tree of life, a twin flame connection. You will feel very connected to your spirit family, to people around you, this leaf growth, friends. Growth, money is your business, your career, your money, all this will grow, don't worry. The lady with the watering can, yes, friends, keep manifesting, do what you are doing, you are on the right goal, you are going to achieve it. And the bow, I feel someone will compliment you. Maybe at your work or in your life, someone is going to compliment you and it will make you feel happy. Number 5 is important. Maybe 5 as the month is important, or 5 is the positive changes coming for you. Get ready. And look at that. Something will happen which will make you feel happy. Blushy, blushy. So let's see what else. Asia is important. So maybe you are dealing with an Asian, someone who is different, from a different religion, a different culture. Eight of Cups, yes, you were disappointed in the past in love, but I will think you will. I feel you have recovered from it, friends. Cycles, yes, this is a new cycle, a new start for you. Yellow, stay positive. Moon, yeah, your creativity is also very high, and learn about the moon, astrology. Maybe some of you will study astrology or connect with it, or if you are having health issues related to the female organs, the cycles and all, you will find healing there. Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, a loving person is coming towards you. Four of Airs, uh, you know it is like someone is waiting to share their feelings to you. I don't know why they are waiting. They can, they might need a little motivation, as I told you. Like here also, people need your motivation. January is important. Two affairs, yeah, someone is a little confused whether they should approach you or not. They should tell you, they should propose you or not. A father figure is very important. Maybe you are connecting more to your father this week, or you are missing them, or you might grandparents, grandfather, all these people, even your in-laws fathers, your father-in-law is important. So a lot of guides are connecting with you. You have a lot of support, friends, and a very happy week. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.